Hare Krishna. So we are on the 37th verse of the second chapter of Gita, wherein Krishna is telling very analytically that if you fight, it's a win-win situation for an Arjun. So yesterday also we saw Krishna said that, oh, if you don't fight, then people will speak ill of you. So today and tomorrow, 37th and 38th verse, we have Krishna telling very analytically to Arjun, oh, how you should take the experiences in this world. So we have Hato va prapsyasi swargam jitva va bhokshase mahim tasmaduttishta kaunteya yuddhaya krita nishchayah. O son of Kunti, either you will be killed on the battlefield and attain the heavenly planets, or you will conquer and enjoy the earthly kingdom. Therefore, get up with determination and fight. So, he says, it's a win-win situation. Hato va prapsyasi swargam. If you die, you will go to Swarga. Jitva va bhokshase mahim. If you win, you get earthly planet. So, it's a win-win situation. Tato tasmat uttishtha kaunteya. Oh Kaunteya, please get up. Be ready. So here we see the first verse wherein Krishna is telling his own wish to Arjuna. युद्धाय कृत निश्चय. इससे पहले भगवान ने कभी भी अरे युद्ध करो युद्ध करो युद्ध करो ऐसे खुद की ये नहीं बोली. भगवान ने बोला है अरे तुम ये करोगे तो ऐसा होगा, नहीं करोगे तो ऐसा होगा, ऐसा होगा तो ऐसा होगा, तुम नहीं करोगे तो लोग ये बोलेंगे. But now we have, oh, yuddhaya krita nishchayah. So Krishna is telling Arjuna, it is my desire that you fight. So we see here, this is what is Krishna consciousness. When we keep our own happiness and distress or profit and loss aside, and when we do things only for Krishna's sake, yes. So, sarvopadhi vinirmukta tat paratvena nirmalam hrishikena hrishikeshah sevanam bhakti ruchyate. Sarva upadhi vinirmukta. So, giving up all designations. Designation means body. Body is the first designation. I am a man, I am a woman. This is the first illusion that every jiva in this material world has. I am he, I am she. And then based on he and she, there is extended illusion. I am son, I am mother, I am father, I am daughter, I am husband, I am wife, I am sister, I am brother. Although we need to execute duties according to these relations because we are caught up in certain time, place and circumstances, but if that circumstance comes to our head and prohibits us from executing our supreme duty to Krishna, that is called Maya. So, Sarva Upadhi Vinirmukta. You see, in one sense, this is what Krishna is telling at the end of Bhagavad Gita. Sarva Dharman Parityajya Mam Ekam Sharanam Vraja. So when executing duties or activities of Krishna consciousness, there is no sense of body. As soon as body comes, there is designation. But this body is going to go in 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, whatever years. So this body was not there 70 years back, this body will not be there 70 years back after. In between, we get too much caught up in the designation of who I am, and that designation is based on the body. So, sarva upadhi vinirmukta tat paratvena nirmalam. Only when one is beyond the conception of body, then his endeavors are nirmala. As long as one is on bodily conception of life, one's designations and one's endeavors can never be nirmal, because then body, health, upkeep, everything comes in. So in this consciousness, giving up the sense of body, which means with transcendental senses, Rishikena, Rishikesha, Sevanam Bhakti Rachyate. This is bhakti. And to come to this stage of bhakti, we need to have a bona fide spiritual master to train us how to engage us, our senses, in our present condition. Right now I am not in that condition, but in whatever condition I am, let my senses be engaged. That is why we have or we need a guru. Arjuna is blessed to have Krishna personally as guru. And how can Krishna let Arjuna go astray? His greatest friend who has become a disciple right now. So, Krishna says that Yuddhaya Krita Nishchaya. Be ready, yes, be fixed with the desire to fight. One who is on the bodily concept of life, Shastras describe him as an Arya, or in one sense, he is a Shudra, because life goes beyond matter. Existence goes beyond matter. Someone who is completely overwhelmed by the concept of I as this body is existing is basically a Shudra. Krishna consciousness is meant to elevate us from this stage of life. That's what Krishna is doing to Arjuna. And today is the second day of the quiz that is being posted. Link is there in the description. Please do participate. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.